Is on mobile application design and development. Here we are discussing about that. We already discussed about the introduction, variables, data structures, control structures, and here we are discussing nullable and not nullable variables. In nullable and types in variables in Kotlins are classified as their non-nullable and nullable types to assist developers properly handle null values and avoid runtime issues such as null pointer exceptions. The Kotlin type system distinguishes between references that are non-null reference or references that are nullable references or references that are able to hold null types to string often not nullable. We must explicitly declare strings that included null types by placing cipher and below the string. You can see the difference between null and nullable. Kotlin has the ability to specify a type with a making it nullable so that variables can store null values. You can see that allowed name can be null. All variables in Kotlin are treated as non-nullable by default, which means they cannot have null values. By doing this, runtime error brought on by null values are declared. You can see the examples. Safe call operators working with this operator to avoid null pointer exceptions. In order to properly handle nullable types without raising a null pointer exception, Kotlin introduced the safe call operators. To call method or access properties on a nullable variable, use the safe call operator. Rather than raising an exception, the expression just return null if the variable is null. You can see the example here and Elvis operators. In this event that the expression on the left is null, the Elvis operator returns a default value. This helps with the feedback fallable, fallback values asset. Here you can see the values. If nullable is null, assign default value is 0. Thank you for the video series on mobile application design and develop. In this part, we are discussing about the Kotlin introductions.